Today we're going to take apart the brand new iPhone 12 Pro. We already know the outside is new and different with its stainless steel sides, flush screen, and ceramic shield glass. But we know true beauty lies on the inside. The iPhone 12 Pro has a series of magnets just below the back glass, and I'm curious to see what those look like from the inside. Changed things up a bit this year, but of course it still has the two pentalobe screws down at the bottom. This time around, the iPhone 12 Pro is quite a bit more water resistant as well. Still IP68, but tested at a depth of 6 meters in water instead of the normal 4 meters that the iPhone 11 Pro was tested at last year. So there is quite a bit more adhesive, which requires more heat. And the screen being inlaid flush with the stainless steel housing also makes things a little more difficult. Long story short, the quickest way to learn something new is by using someone else's mistakes. And as I was lifting up the screen, I didn't go quite deep enough to grab the frame, and I accidentally stabbed the screen under the glass. And while I was able to get the screen off in one piece, that little stab in the wrong spot killed the screen entirely. So it's a good idea to learn from my mistakes if you ever need to open one of these up. The phone is still alive, but now I'll need a new screen. Anyway, besides the fact that I just broke a phone in front of millions of people, there are two tri-point screws holding down a metal plate over the battery. I'll remove those, as well as the metal plate, so we can get to the real goods inside. I'll unsnap the battery ribbon just like a little Lego, along with the screen ribbon. There's another plate up top with 4 more tri-point screws that I'll remove before unsnapping the screen from the phone entirely. Replacement iPhone 11 Pro screens are around $170 right now, so I imagine the iPhone 12 Pro will be priced similarly when they start coming out, if Apple doesn't digitally lock them to the motherboard, making third-party repairs impossible, which they seem to be doing more of lately. There is a smorgasbord of other connectors revealed now that the screen is gone, connectors on top of connectors. So it looks like I'll just be unsnap, snap, 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 snapping them just like little Legos. The last one is taped to the top of the motherboard, so I'll peel it back and move it out of the way before we head over to the cameras. There are 4 screws holding down the metal plate over the camera units. The iPhones are always super complex inside, and this one requires at least 4 different screwdriver bits and a whole lot of organization, since pretty much each screw is a different size and shape.